ng parcel natin mga kadang. Asa na ang gunting na to na? Ano, wala nang gunting.
Bye!
Welcome back mga Kuradangers! Welcome dito sa ating Inday Kuradang channel. So today we are going to unpack our parcel from Shopee. So ito yung mga pinamili at shop namin sa Shopee during 5.5 sa Shopee mga Kuradang. So ngayon lang siya dumating. This is it from Zayt. Tada! Thumbnails. So we're going to unpack this mga kadangs. And yeah, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga laman ng parcel natin mga kadangs. Asa na ang gunting na to na? Ano, wala nang gunting.
Bye!
No. You sit down.
No!
So, we've been to Dipolog City. We just arrived just right now, mga kadangs, just to claim this parcels. But, sobrang maulan mga kadangs, basang-basa kami. So, we're going to unpack this parcel first. Ano laman ito na? This is the Paw Patrol. This is the Paw Patrol. This is the Paw Patrol. Let's pack. Are you excited? Wow. Wow. Something. Wow. Wait, we're going to show them. We're going to show them. So, first from the parcel, mga kadang. We're going to show them. So, this is a slipper. It's Paw Patrol slipper for Clintoy. Sakto lang to, nak. Sakto lang to sa imong tail, nak. Babe, show me. Show me. Or gamay. Babe, saluyo daw. Turn around. Na. Medyo sakto nga gamay. So, this is, I will just put the prices right here, mga kadangs. Insert some prices right here, mga kadang. So, this is for Clintoy. Huy, this is yours, oh. Next is this one also for Clintoy. Also, Paw Patrol pa din na. Color black. This time, color black. What can you say? What can you say? I buy you sleeper.
Thank you.
May snack? Ganahan ka? Color black and color blue. This is yours. And I will just put the price right here, mga kadangs. Yan. So, next is, wow, may pa freebie.
Wow!
May freebie yung shop na pinilhan ko. May pa freebie, daddy. Nasa like candy, dad. Na pa freebie, oh. Thank you. Thank you for the freebie. It's candy, mga kadangs. Strawberry candy. Yes, thank you so much for the freebies. Okay. Uy, kakuya ning usa na. Kakuya ning usa, duhay mo ah, kakuya isa. Oh, hipusa. Oo, freebie. Next, from the parcel is this one. This is Kuya Kian.
Kuya Kian!
Hala, gamay dad. Gamay. O saktura. OMG. This is size 32. Pero gamay. I think gamay. Gamay to ka kuya. 32 ra batanan akong order niya. And this one also kay kuya. Hala. I think gamay jud dad. Gamay jud siya dad. So, dapat 33 or 34. This is for Kuya Kian. Yan o. For Kuya Kian.
Duha-duha rin tiyan na.
Yes. Dili na ata na ako ano. Dili na ako memorize inyong tiil. Imua dapat 29.
Pindi siya na.
Sa Kuya dapat 33 or 34. Alright. So, mo to siya ang sulod sa isa ka parcel. So, we are going to proceed for the next one. Anong laman ito na? This is for Tagnaa.
Sanilas!
Sanilas ni.
That is for mine.
Wow!
Yay.
Nakatagan siya.
I guess.
I guess. This is for Daddy.
Wow! Thanks so much, Mama. Why so long?
This is for Daddy. Sakto rin yung size, Dad.
That's enough.
This is enough. This is for Daddy.
This one.
Black and white. Suot daw, Dad.
This
Show me.
mommy!
Yes, that's mine. And this is also for Daddy, color gray.
Shukran.
Shukran.
Shukran. Thank you so much.
This is also yours, Daddy. This is also
Wow.
the same design but in color gray. Very nice. This is a very
2
affordable.
pesos.
This is so very affordable sleepers from Shopee. So I got this.
From Lazada?
No, from Shopee. Lazada.
You
That's
are
yours.
from
What's this?
Shopee.
This is mine. And
Wow!
I have right here a slipper. This is mine.
Yeah, your mommy with the car.
Yahay di ay na, daghan.
Gray. I love it color.
Very nice slipper.
I love this color.
Of course. I know how to choose your color.
Kaya nila
That's why I love you.
Yellow one, and I got also color gray. This is a very affordable. We'll just put the price right here, mga kadangs. This is a very affordable. Dili siya kabot og 200 ang mga prices ani. Mga nasa 100 plus lang yun siya. So very affordable. So very cute slippers. So that's all I got on 5.5 sale ng Shopee, mga kadangs. Puro lahat chinelas. Ano puro chinelas only palit? Wala lang. Bet lang na kung magpalit ng chinelas. Because we love sleepers. So, that's all, mga kadangs. Thank you so much for watching sa atong vlog, Kuran. And hopefully, nakasubscribe ka na dito sa ating Inday Kuradang channel. Uy, say subscribe. 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 No. Please don't forget to hit the bell button and the subscribe button and like this video, mga kadang.